Welcome back, guys. We'll be doing another unboxing day from tidewe. I already opened it, but it is a heated jacket. It usually goes in that bag, but I already opened it, so it doesn't. It's not in this bag. Box over there. Pretty sure this is the little battery pack for it. I got a large, so it's cut. I'm usually a medium, but I got a large, so it's a little bigger. Now, I don't know if the battery pack comes fully charged or not. I don't think it would because it's a safety thing. Yeah, it doesn't look like it comes fully charged. So I'm gonna put it on the charger. Okay, so here's the jacket right there. I'm gonna take the tags off. I am going to try the jacket on. But take off the hoodie I got on now. Because this jacket's like a rain jacket almost. It'll be pretty nice. Okay, that's the. I also got a. Turn you guys towards me. And also got a iPhone charger right there, which I'm gonna have to get adapted because I'm an Android person, so it won't work. Set cord. Okay, the power adapter's right there. Okay. Now we're gonna zip it up. Okay, got it on. See what happens. A little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, but trying to figure out what the different colors are. I think red's the highest setting. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn it off. And we're going to put it on the charger till it's fully charged. It's at 70, it looks like. So we're going to put it on there till it's at 170 right there. Yeah, this will be nice around at the shop and doing outside activities and stuff. And that little thing right there is junk. I was using that to charge my phone the other day. And I noticed that I should have another one of those somewhere around here. I already got a thing in my toolbox I can just plug it into. But this is a tidewe heated jacket. It's very comfortable even without the heat on. I'm pretty warm with it on compared to my regular hoodie I got with my name and Fox on it. So, yeah, I didn't even think the battery pack warmed up yet. So, that's pretty warm even without the heat on. So, I'm very happy with it. It kind of feels a little bulky, but like, I don't know if they make one more like a hoodie that ain't so bulky. That's more like a rain jacket type bulky. But again, this is a tidewe heated jacket, and I'm very happy with the results. I'll give you guys an update video on a very cold day, or when it's fully charged, and testing out the heat modes. So I want to thank tidewe for sending me the jacket, and I'll definitely try it out, and I'll put a link in the description to their website and probably to the jacket too, or tell you what the jacket is. And I think I got a discount code for you guys too. I'll also put in the description too. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.